Medical technology is changing the future of healthcare. We explore which medical technologies are paving the road for a better future because healthcare innovation is one of the key conflicts in the struggle to prolong human life. In the areas of technology and medicine, we've made great strides. What would happen if we combine them? We'll surely get a cure for everything. Let's see what the future will look like. Medical technology will play a significant part in ensuring we can address all of the most urgent health challenges we currently face. The future of healthcare contains numerous opportunities. We frequently think of the healthcare industry as requiring a lot of human labor. For example, caring for patients necessitates doctors and nurses working long hours in physically demanding jobs. New healthcare technology, on the other hand, is what enables medical professionals to advance in their field, rescue more people, and combat novel diseases. Before exploring exciting new healthcare technology, this essay will first examine the state of global healthcare in the present and how it has changed over the past 10 years. Let's examine each one in turn. Number 1. AI and robots. There's so many fascinating uses for artificial intelligence, or AI, in the medical field. One of the most crucial uses of AI is in diagnosis. There have been instances where it has identified diseases like skin cancer and diabetic retinopathy more accurately than medical professionals. AI can be used for a variety of functions besides diagnosis, including managing data, designing therapies, controlling medication, keeping track of health, and more. Even robots can be equipped with AI, allowing them to perform tasks like assisting in surgeries, taking lab samples, and cleaning hospital rooms in addition to serving as medical assistants. Atomwise searches a library of molecular structures for treatments using supercomputers. The startup, which debuted in 2015, developed a virtual search for secure, currently available medications that may be redesigned to treat the Ebola virus. 2 medications that the company's AI algorithm indicated would lessen Ebola's infectiousness were discovered. More recently, Google's DearMind created an AI for analyzing breast cancer. On pre-cleared sets of data, the new technology outperformed human radiologists by 11.5% in identifying breast cancer. There's an opportunity for advancement in the field of AI in healthcare, and there are many obstacles to overcome, but the potential benefits might be truly transformative. 2. Nanotechnology for diagnosis. Another cutting-edge medical technique is nanotechnology for diagnostics. Although you may not be familiar with the term, nanotechnology is the study of materials with at least one dimension smaller than 100 nanometers. What relevance does this have to diagnosis then? Nanotechnology can be used to recognize distinct cells and spot genetic material that could indicate sickness. Drugs can thus target specific damaged cells while avoiding healthy ones as a result. Shortly, nanoparticles and nanodevices may be used as precise medication delivery systems, miniaturized surgical instruments, or cancer treatment tools. In 2014, some scientists from the Max Planck Institute created tiny microbots with scalloped shapes that can physically move through physiological fluids. These intelligent tablets, like PillCam, are utilized for colonoscopies in a painless, patient-friendly manner. Late in 2018, MIT researchers created an electronic pill that can wirelessly transmit analysis data or release medications in response to smartphone commands. Smart patches, a product of nanotechnology, are becoming a more significant player in the market. At CES 2020, the French company Graphil displayed its smart patch. It enables ongoing wound monitoring and the graphene core's ability to speed up wound healing. There will be a lot more tangible instances of nanotechnology in healthcare as technology advances. Future pill cams might even be able to take biopsy samples, and remote-controlled capsules might usher in the era of nanosurgery. 3. E-health apps. The term e-health describes the application of technology to better healthcare, including physical and mental health. Consequently, e-health apps are portable programs that frequently focus on a single aspect of healthcare. Nowadays, when practically everyone owns a smartphone, e-health apps make taking care of your health and well-being seem more approachable and manageable. Good examples are Elsa, an app that helps people with chronic illnesses track their feelings, and Koala, a cardiac monitoring app that includes a small EKG gadget. At the time of COVID, digital medicine was what saved the patient. Remote contact with a doctor and ordering of medicine was a significant thing. Researchers are working to make an app that can help to make a diagnosis remotely. 4. The genomic future. The medical discipline of genetics is constantly evolving and has numerous potential applications. Although it may be one of the most disputed medical professions, synthetic DNA manufacture, early illness diagnosis, and quicker, less expensive DNA testing are just a few of its promising uses. The entire Human Genome Project has cost the U.S. government an absurd $2.7 billion, particularly when you consider that DNA sequencing manufacturer Illumina unveiled a new device in January 2017 that, according to the industry behemoth, is anticipated one day to be able to order a full genome for less than $100. The CEO said that the business is still pursuing that notion. If this were to occur, genetic testing would become more affordable and would only cost $10 to $150. This kind of test has lots of potentials. Drug sensitivity, monogenic or multifactorial medical issues, and even family history are all valuable information that might be discovered. Furthermore, numerous sectors, including nutrigenomics, which combines dietetics, nutrition, and genomics, are making use of the benefits of genome sequencing. Utilizing genetic coding, businesses like the California-based startup Habit provide customized nutrition plans. The genetic test from Atlas Biomed is also useful. Although it can be challenging to understand, the analysis produces useful, achievable conclusions. It assesses risk factors for diseases and keeps track of vitamin intake and intolerances. You can utilize the information to take preventative measures. 5. 3D printing. 3D printing is bringing a world of wonders to all facets of healthcare. The list is expanding and is likely to keep doing so because printing is now possible for blood arteries, artificial limbs, biotissues, and medications. In November 2019, researchers from Troy, New York's Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute developed a technique for 3D printing biological skin and blood arteries. This was an important advance for skin grafts for burn sufferers. NGOs like Not Impossible and Refugee Openwear produce prosthetic limbs for refugees in areas devastated by war to assist people in need. These evolving technologies are also advantageous to the pharmaceutical sector. Since 2015, 3D printed medications have been available and have received FDA approval. Researchers are currently working on polypills for 3D printing. To help patients follow their treatment plan, these will feature multiple drug layers. 6. Advances in data science and predictive analytics. According to estimates, the market for healthcare predictive analytics will increase from $3.74 billion in 2019 to $28.77 billion by 2027. It can be difficult to compress all the data produced by people with chronic illnesses into one file. However, due to the rapid advancement of data science and predictive analysis, doctors now have access to more in-depth knowledge, including the ability to identify patients at high risk for developing illnesses and gather data on genealogy and family history. CongaHab makes patients' real-time information available to clinicians so they can quickly access, monitor, and intervene in patients' development as needed. 7. Healthcare trackers, wearables, and sensors. Patients and individuals' empowerment is employing technology like wearables, health trackers, and sensors to better take care of their health, which is closely related to the future of healthcare and medicine. These are great tools that help us understand our health better and have greater control over our own life. With gadgets like the Polar H10, which can operate a fitness program, the Fitbit Ionic, which counts workouts and monitors sleep, and the Muse headband, which helps with meditation. Today's market is flooded with health trackers and applications. There's a device for every need, whether you want to reduce stress, lose weight, improve cognitive function, or just feel more energized and healthy overall. These technologically advanced diamonds truly make the patient the center of care. Patients can monitor their health at home and exchange information with their doctor remotely. The tools enable the user to take charge of their health and make better decisions. 8. The medical tricorder. The ultimate goal of every healthcare worker is to possess a single all-encompassing instrument. Every disease should be able to be analyzed and diagnosed by it. We currently live in a world where these kinds of devices are available thanks to the quick development of healthcare technologies. The palm-size Viacom CheckMe Pro is one such device, and it can measure a variety of things, including blood pressure, oxygen saturation, temperature, and heart rate. Similar gadgets, like the MedWand, which includes a camera for telemedicine and all of the measurement capabilities, are being developed by other businesses as well. Another gadget is the BioSticker from BioIntelliSense, which is FDA cleared and can measure a variety of factors including heart rate, skin temperature, activity levels, breathing rate, body position, and sleep, despite being thin and small. These items might be a bit removed from the sci-fi tricorder, but we will get there eventually. Smartphones with powerful microscopes attached will likely analyze photographs and collect samples of skin lesions. It might have sensors that look for particular proteins and antibodies or detect DNA anomalies, an electronic nose, an ultrasonic probe, or anything else that could connect to a smartphone and improve its capabilities. What will the future of healthcare look like? Well, it's safe to predict that the future of healthcare will bring about a great many more scientific advancements and prospects for digital innovation now that we've examined some of the innovations already in use and evaluated the state of global health. According to a recent McKinsey Worldwide Institute analysis, global disease might decrease by 40% in 2040, with 70% of this reduction being made achievable through preventative measures. It's important to learn more about the technologies we've discussed today to ensure a better future for all of us. Some of these technologies may contribute to this preventative care. Well, this ends the video for today. Let us know if you have any technology to share. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel to learn more about future technology.